Is it the right time to buy or sell Vision Ltd stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Vision Ltd and provide you with a comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Now, we're here to bring you an even more detailed analysis to help you make informed decisions about your investments. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 12, 2024, our system has ranked Vision Ltd as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Vision Ltd has experienced an outstanding gain of 977.7% since our initial recommendation to buy the stock just 12 days ago. This impressive performance translates to an average daily return of 81.47% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, it's hard to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further gains. If there is any pullback, there is support at the previous resistance level of $6.75, which could provide a second opportunity for profit. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a significant 390.16% change in the next 3 months. However, there is also a chance of a return between -35.01% and 120.78%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 5.99% change over the next year, with a potential return between -97.15% and 5.99%. This means that the stock price could range from $0.427 to $15.88 after a year. Our latest update on Vision Ltd brings you an important headline: big movements in Vision Ltd stock price on Tuesday, with a 75.71% difference between the highest and lowest points. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the stock price of Vision Ltd increased by 1.97%, going from $14.69 to $14.98. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the upward momentum continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price ranged from a low of $13.30 to a high of $23.37, showing a significant fluctuation of 75.71%. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 791.67% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 23 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $349.86 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices could indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $23.37, while the lowest price was $0.200. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 35.9%, or $8.39, lower than its 52-week high of $23.37, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analysts have issued a general sell rating for Vision Ltd stock. They recommend buying the PE ratio and consider the price to book as a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Vision Ltd. The stock of Vision Ltd is showing positive indicators based on both short and long-term moving averages. This suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between the two signals indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, the stock may find some stability around $8.72 and $2.82 in case of downward corrections. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. On Friday, January 19, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has experienced a remarkable rise of 993.43%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's worth noting that volume declined during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This could be an early warning sign, as it indicates a divergence between volume and price. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance. To summarize, Vision Ltd is currently showing positive signals based on moving averages and a buy signal from the MACD. While there are support levels in place, it's crucial to keep an eye on any potential sell signals and the divergence between volume and price. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was generated 8 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 73 days ago. Short-term moving average, it is indicating a sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 50 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Vision Ltd. Vision Ltd has found support from accumulated volume at $14.69. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. It's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, further confirming the very high-risk nature of this stock. In fact, in the last day alone, it had a price range of $10.07, equivalent to a 75.71% fluctuation. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been around 69.36%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Vision Ltd, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either reporting negative earnings or operating at a loss. Established companies can experience downturns due to external factors, but consistent negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Vision Ltd. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and monitor the volume to determine the best exit point. On the downside, Vision Ltd encounters its first support level at $14.69. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock price. We recommend setting the stop-loss for this stock at $14.57, which represents a decrease of 2.72%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 89, further increasing the risk. However, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 7 days ago. Is Vision Ltd stock a good buy? While Vision Ltd shows some positive signals, we believe it's not yet a strong buy candidate. Currently, it's more suitable as a hold candidate, meaning you can hold or accumulate your position while waiting for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate Vision Ltd to open up by $2.24 and begin trading at $17.22. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock market with you. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We also want to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.